All right, well, I recorded a video on void elementals and the packs that they were selling and what they opened, but it's there's no introduction because it goes right into the action. So I guess I'll do the introductions for it now. Also, fair warning, I was pretty high while I was recording the video, so it gets a little bit off the rails at the end. But bear with me. We're gonna get through this. I mean, if you think about it, who's the craziest one here? Me being a crazy person, or you watching a crazy person's video? Yeah, think about that while you watch this video, huh? So anyway, void elementals. I don't know what the fuck they are. I don't know what the fuck they do. What I do know is that they had a pack sale and I needed to throw money at it because I have an unhealthy addiction. So that's what I did. Basically, you bought some packs over here, the standard, whatever, the Ion pack and Quantum pack. You will see what my journey has been trying to get these packs. It's quite suspenseful. Here you get 5 cards, with this one you get 11, and with this one you get 17 cards. And you can get diverse rarities and blah blah blah. So far, they don't really have any utility, except the artwork is pretty cool on the rarer ones. And they have like shit to be announced, but I think I talk about that in the video as well. So without further ado, here is what I've been through. All right, well, I'm in a race against time here in the raids elemental shit on the pack openings. I wanted to buy the bigger pack, but I forgot that I decided to do that yesterday, and only now with 8 minutes with 8 minutes left, I quickly deposited some Ethereum on some exchange to get some wax so I can send over. But it might take too fucking long. So big excitement, suspense, like in action movies. We have it all here. We're waiting now to see if it's gonna go through. Till then, what the fuck is Void Elementals? I have no fucking clue. It's basically NFT collectible cards that are based on the periodic table, and every element has a different creature, I guess. And that's about it. I think there are, I don't know how scarce they are. There's like 300 of the Quantum pack, 800 of this one, and 2,500 of this one. Oh shit. Yeah. So they don't really have much use. Like, they don't have utility. Oops, if you go to the utility, right? So NFTFi, it's like DeFi, but NFTFi, I guess, but it's to be announced. Staking, but it's to be announced. Upgrade system, but it's to be announced. So for now, they have no fucking use. But, I've been looking on what to spend my money other than crack, and I guess NFTs are somewhat sort of a crack. So if the deposit doesn't go through in 6 minutes, I probably won't be getting any, Quantum packs. Let me 1 quick second to check how the transaction is going. Oh, there it is. There it is. I hope it's enough. 400, yeah. Okay, okie dokie. So 3 minutes, and I'm gonna see if I can snatch up one of these. And I'm not gonna do anything with it because they're useless for now, but we'll see, I guess. Well, actually, till then we can have a look at what you can actually get from these packs, because I have no fucking clue. So this one has 5 cards, this one has 11, and this one has 17, and rarities. So 38% to then get transition metal, it's the shittiest apparently, and the noble gas and halogen, and same rates, What the fuck? That's it? Same rates even in the highest package? That's a scam. Okay, well, let me see if I can just get one of these at least. I have 17 tries. And there's a 1 in 2... Wait, is this 5% or 0.5? I think 5, right? So 5 in 100. That's 1 in 20, right? So 1 in 20 chance. Something. 1 in 100. I know this one. This one's easy. This one's fudge. Dude, math is so easy. 1 in 100. 2 in 100, which is 2 in 50. 3 in 100, which is 1 in 33. And there's this guy. Fuck this guy. 20 and 25. Okay, so I mean, 27 seconds. I'm pretty sure I have to refresh the page. So I'm gonna do that in just a little bit. Come on. I don't want to flip the thing, man. Come on, man. It's too much editing time, bro. But fuck. Bye. Click. Oh, I have to. Oh no. Why is it garbage? Okay, come on. What? Is it all gone? Holy shit. Are you kidding me? They're all gone. They're all gone. I couldn't buy it. They're all gone. Okay. What the fuck? That was 20 seconds. They're sold out. Is this botted? Did someone fucking have bots for this shit? Okay. Let's go in the aftermarket. There we go. For $70. Oh, oh. Hello? It broke the market. $80, $60. Fuck you, man. Fuck you guys. Alright. Fuck. So you can buy the standard pack for $40. Which one's this one? Oh, for 5. The smallest one. For 5. Come on, man. Come on, man. What the fuck? Now it's 6. Oh, for the base one. I don't want to pay $60 for the base one. Okay, well, I guess I'll just wait until it calms down. The quantum pack is selling for 200. Holy shit. But it's lowest. But I saw, like, this one's 200, this one's 44. Hello? Hello? This isn't lowest. Okay. Alright, well, I'm not gonna buy these yet because what the fuck? And I'll see what I do. So see you in the future. Oh, there's one. Oh no, there was one for $30, and I was gonna buy that, but someone already bought it. Okay, this one was already bought as well. They're all being bought up, man. Can I get one? No, this one's probably out as well. Bro, by the time the transaction goes through, oh, there we go. This is a struggle, man. Holy shit. 37? It's double the price. Okay, well now it's just loading for years. Okay, well that one's gone as well. Thank you. Hello. Okay. Fuck it. 37 at this point. Gotta get something. Oh wow, it worked. So I bought a basic pack for 37 just to fucking have something. I guess. Oh, and now they're 28. Oh, you piece of shit. Maybe I can buy another one. Oh, this one's gonna be probably done. Yep. Okay. I don't know if I should buy another one. Let me see. Where the fuck do I unbox it? Oh, you have to wait 4 hours until you can start opening them. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I guess I'll see everyone then. I guess maybe I'll find some other cheap packs to buy one more, but we'll see. All right. Well, see you in 4 hours. All right, and the hours have passed, and we are back with Elemental's NFT. I don't know what the fuck is going on here. So before I open the pack, let's see what other people were getting. So here you can see a rat, and then a spider, and then whatever the fuck is this? And oh shit. Okay, for 52 total max, sell them for the whopping price of 350. Amazing. You got turtles. Let me see. What is Noble Gas? This. Oh, not bad. Okay, okay. So that's the second best one, and this is the best one, which you're saying for $300. Looks pretty cool. All right. Well, that is what I need. Okay, so I have 1% or 2% chance. Hey, together that's 3%, right? First of all, am I recording? Yes, I am. Oh, and I need to log in. Fuck my stupid pussy. All right. Well, one second. Okay, take two. Let's just pretend the other part didn't happen. I'll edit that out later, probably. All right. So 600 packs of this opened, 200 and something, and 118. Also, I saw the packs selling for $1,000. I'm not sure how. Let me just check that quickly. Um, Quantum packs, 400 and oh, okay, never mind. 200. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That makes sense. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Anyway, unboxing. Ridiculously, unnecessarily long video. Hopefully, no fucking loud ass volume. Okay, click to reveal your NFTs. Wow. Oh, I have to fucking complete the captcha again. I mean, okay. It's happening. We're in a laboratory. I'm a rat. We're in the point of view of a rat. Still the rat, just around the table now. Oh, oh. It's the Zeus rat. Interesting. Well, this is the most extravagant pack opening that I have seen so far. That's the ring of death. As we know. Oh, shit. Hopefully that's not loud. Alright, 5 cards. Wow. Okay, oh no. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh Lord is Jesus. Okay, well these are. I don't know what the ranks are. Oh, the transition is the shittiest one. This is the second shittiest one. And this one looks kind of alright. Yeah. So I got the this something. Where's that? Ooh, second. I mean this one. Oh, okay. So I got transition metal. I got post transition metal. All right. I got this one and one of these. Ooh, $60. Easy, bro. Great. Okay, so that's that one. That's pretty cool. This one is what is this? Post transition. Right. Garbage, and garbage. All right. Well, this one and this one, sort of all right. Okay. Well, I mean, that's what it is. I'm not sure what they're gonna be good for. They still have a lot of to be announced shit. I just wanted to be part of it. Would have been nice having the 17 fucking cards instead of just this shit, but you know, there's still more packs available, and I just might buy some more packs as well. Other than that, there's nothing more to the video. I don't even know why I recorded this. There's nothing exciting happening except my suspenseful Hollywood type movie shit at the beginning, but other than that, not much. So I'm not sure if I even posted the video. So might have been talking alone all this time, but that's not something new. I guess I'll just see if I post it or not. I say post the video and reap in all the money from the AdSense revenue. Wait, who the fuck are you? What do you mean who the fuck am I? I'm the devil. I'm literally the. Look at me. Do you not see how I look like? I'm the devil. Just post the fucking video. Well, that is true. If I post a video, reap in those rewards, and I could buy some more crack. I mean, that is true. No, you must not post. Oh no, why am I doing the voice like this? Oh, I'm gonna have to. Oh, okay. No, you must. You must not post the reward. You must not post the videos. You have to be true to your audience. If you think a video is subpar, then you should probably not. I mean, not post it. I guess. Well, well, that is also true. I do want to be true to my fan base. If we're gonna build a community, no, you must post it and get the rewards. That's how you grow your channel, so you can invest more into it. Yeah, that does also make sense. I mean, if I could buy more NFTs and shit. No, you don't want to be. spending blood money on your NFTs. You want to be spending well earned money. That is also true. I I don't want to be spending blood money. Wait, I am the almighty helicopter that knows everything. Wow. What? Wait, who the fuck are you? I am the all knowing Apache helicopter. I know all that has been, is, and will be. I can see the present, the past, and the future. Oh, so wait a minute. Did you know about Corona and the shit that it did and people it killed? Well, yes, but that's besides the point. Wait, and you could have warned people and we could have just evaded all this whole thing? Well, that's not really my job. I just know that. Wait a minute. Did you know about the fucking Holocaust? Well, yes, I know all that is, but that's not. You could have wait. You could have saved 6 million people, and you didn't. Well, that's. I think you're not listening to what I'm saying. Oh my fucking god, you're a maniac, dude. Even I wouldn't do that shit. What the fuck is wrong with you? Yeah, dude. What the fuck? Hey. I think we're gonna get the. I say we get you get the fuck out of here. Yeah, dude. Fucking beat it. You fucking piece of shit. Well, wow. Okay, I guess I'll just fly away because I'm a helicopter. Yeah, there we go. And he's gone. Whew. All right. Well, that was something. Um, what the fuck are we doing here, dude? I don't know. I'm high as shit. Yeah, dude. Me too. Whoa. Well, hey, that makes three of us. Hey, what do you guys say? We go and fucking light one up and eat some mushrooms. Yeah, dude. That sounds great. Yeah, I could use some fucking mushrooms. Well, let's fucking go then.